is how I show my love. I'm painting my mind because I'm blaming on my ADD, baby.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do simple designs such as this that I did for my dorm room right above my desk, just for some decorations. It took about 10-15 minutes. And it's really simple, but it looks really cool, and I plan on getting this printed out really wide and really big, so it basically just makes like something to go on top of my clipboard area, like just to decorate the room a little bit, give a little color. Now, just to get started, on Illustrator, I just opened Illustrator, and I just use a standard size at first. So I use the normal size a piece of paper would be, here in 1 second, 8 by 11, or 8.5 by 11, excuse me. And so you can see, you come out with your artboard right here. So first off, all I started doing is I'm like, okay, I want to get something that's colorful. So what I did is I took squares and I started dragging like this square, but first, also I'm sorry, I needed to bring out the colors. So I have different colors here. So I selected blue. And then, again, I will select another square and just change the color of it. Oh, excuse me, did not mean to drag my artboard around there. So let's try to get some nice colors, and what you want to do is make sure you don't have the same color and make sure you don't have the same shape or size. And we will go back and just decide how we want it laid out in a little bit. But right now the most important thing is just to drop a bunch of colors and a bunch of different squares. Now that last color I just chose was a little bit too close to the one color I had before, so I'm going to go back and change that. Let's go like pink. Ooh, that's kind of girly, I don't know about that. I'll have to fix that. But yeah, so basically I'm going to try to do this as quick as possible. We'll use a few different things, a few different bigger shapes just to make it go past a little bit quicker, go by a little quicker. And as far as your layers, like I said, I will get to that in a minute. But also, I wanted to take this time to actually thank you guys for watching this video, and if you could check out other videos, I'm going to be posting more Adobe Illustrator, more different tutorials, and iOS reviews and gameplay, so it's kind of cool. But looks like I'm almost getting done, just throwing a bunch of squares down here. Okay. I think I have like 2 more that I want to do here. And what I did with this design is I wanted to keep everything the same shape, like as in a square, rectangle, everything the same alignment. I didn't want to go and start rotating the squares or rectangles. So now I have this. Now it's time to decide what layer you want everything in. So like let's just start pushing layers to the back. So you want to go right click, arrange, send backwards. Sorry, I did not do anything there. I gotta select it. There we go. Arrange, send backwards, and double click to get out of that. Select, right click, arrange, send backwards, and basically the whole goal is to get what you want. As far as you want some of the shapes to pop out. It's like this one I think I want to bring to the front. No, that's a little too big. Okay, here. I'm not going to do too much more of this because I think you guys get the point. I don't want to just basically like just keep going on and on and on about it. But the main goal here is just make it look like something that's not just like random shapes overlapping in a certain order from like left to right or down around the circle. You're just trying to get like random, as in like you want certain squares like this. You want to be on top, behind, middle, behind, on top, just random stuff because then it will pop just right. Now, let me see here, I'm going to send this to the back, and that doesn't look half bad down there, and I did not mean to click on that. Did not want Adobe Flash open. I'm going to close this. Sorry, my computer's taking forever. So, to insert text, what you want to do is you want to go back to the square tool, and actually, I'm going to do an ellipse tool for this. If my computer ever loads, oh my gosh. Okay guys, sorry about that, my computer is being really slow, but anyway, to get back to this, what you want to do is you want to grab your rectangle tool and choose whatever shape you want. So like, let's just change it up a little bit. Let's go to a polygon, and what I did in the original one is I made it really like a certain color stand out, like something darker, much darker. Like, let's just go with black. And to tone that down a little bit, I'm going to turn the opacity down to about 60, I believe. Actually, that's a little too much. I still want it to stand out and be above everything, so maybe 90. Change the color up a little bit here. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to drag the text tool and select a really cool font. So like, let's say you want to do this for a class and have a really cool binder. Let me find like Batman Forever font. You can find this online, but I purchased this font. It was, I think, like $3 or $4. 1 second here. Here we go, Batman Forever Alternative, and I'm gonna just go Art Class. Just drag it out here, and to make it pop more, I am going to make it a white text. And after that, all you would want to do is you would want to just decide what size you want. Like, you could resize your artboard or however you want to print it. I'll just go to a print preview to show you guys what it would look like. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So that looks pretty dang cool just for like 5 minutes. So it's a really cool, simple design that I think you guys would like. Just decorate stuff and just, you can go from there and make your own sort of idea and stem off from what I did. And if you guys like this, could you subscribe and like, and I'd appreciate it very much. And again, thanks for watching.